Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Authy for Crypto.com. First, ensure you have both the Crypto.com app and the Authy app installed on your mobile device. Authy is a recommended authenticator for Crypto.com, offering robust security features. This process adds a crucial second layer of protection to your account, safeguarding your digital assets from unauthorized access. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance your security. To begin, open your Crypto.com app and tap the menu icon, usually 3 lines in the top left corner. Scroll down and select Settings, then proceed to Security. Here, you'll find the two-factor authentication option. Tap to enable it. The app will then display a QR code and a secret key. You'll need this key or the QR code for the next step in Authy. Now switch over to your Authy app. Tap the red plus sign at the bottom or the Add Account option. You can either scan the QR code displayed on your Crypto.com app using Authy's camera feature or manually enter the secret key you copied. After adding, give your account a recognizable name like Crypto.com and save it. Authy will then generate a 6-digit code. Return to your Crypto.com app. You'll be prompted to enter the 6-digit code generated by Authy. Be quick, as these codes refresh every 30 seconds. Once entered, your two-factor authentication will be successfully enabled. For enhanced security, always keep your Authy recovery password safe. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to simplify your home cleaning, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Remember, 2FA is a powerful tool to protect your investments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.